be showing you how to make this cute little pouch, all on your serger. Firstly, don't be intimidated by these machines. They are so super easy to thread, and I'm going to show you how simple they are now. So here we go, I have my machine previously threaded, so I'm just going to take these threads off right there. Now what I like to do is press my presser foot and have this all run to the back. There we go, so all the thread is out now. The machines always come with these really cool charts, so you know exactly where to thread what on these machines. For my nice and easy Serger project, I'm going to use the free thread overlock for my project. So basically I put a cone here, I put a cone here, and I put a cone right over here. The two cones on the far right are for your upper and lower loopers, and the cones on this side here are for your left needle and your right needle. I basically switch my machine over to threading and I turn my hand wheel so it locks into place. And what this actually does is it closes these, the upper looper things shut so the air can actually push through it. I'll do it once again so you can see that happening. So just watch right here. And it snaps right into place. So it allows the air to go through. These at the top are the tension discs. So I'm just going to grab this next one here and show you how I place this in here. So this literally is going to snap. Hear that? It just snapped into place and it's right. I don't have to mess about with it. Now what I do is thread these threads into this hole here, one for the lower looper, and press this button and it shoots all the way through into my loopers there. I actually do these both together, but I'm just doing them singly. So I'm just going to put this one into the upper looper right now and then shoot the air through. There you go. So both of them are now threaded. One's going this way, one's going this way, and now I just have to do the needle. Again, just get this guy, put him into the antenna at the top there. And I'm just going to thread this through and then all the way around. The machine also has a needle threader. So here you can move it left to right, like so. And I want it over to the left because my needle is in the left position. Then I pull this down. And then basically you just rest this thread in there. Okay, so I've got this shot so you can see that it's just resting right in there. And then you just pull this guy up and then it's threaded through this needle. How cool is that? Grab it from the back and pull it through the needle. So there we go. Everybody is threaded. Now all I have to do is change this back to serging and lift this back up. Also, I just need to change these dials down here. Now this length setting down here needs to be around about a 2 to 3 and it needs to be on standard. I'm just going to move this so you can see. So it can do a standard and it can also do a rolled hem. So always make sure that it's on standard for just basic overlocking. Then this dial needs to be on a 7.5 and it actually still is. So we are ready to go. The other settings that you want to bear in mind is make sure that we're previously on a wave stitch. You want to be on overlocking stitch. And for my particular stitch, I need to be on setting A. See how easy it was to thread that serger? It wasn't so scary after all, was it? So let's get on to the super duper easy project I'm going to show you. To make this super easy peasy, I'm going to get you to cut 3 5x5 squares. Now 2 of these are going to be slightly too big for what we need, but that doesn't matter because we're going to use our serger to cut away things and it's going to look really pretty. I'm going to show you in a second. So I want you to get 2 of the sections and serge one end of the square. Okay, that's my first one. This is my second one. Now what I'm going to do is fold over this hem here and I'm just going to press it. I'm going to do it with this one and I'm going to do it with this one. Okay, there is a reason for the fabric change. I made a boo-boo. So The reason why is because this flap should be over the top of this pouch. So make sure that you follow this step properly so you don't end up with a pouch that looks like this. So you have the first piece of fabric here, which is right sides up, and you're going to place this piece of fabric, and it's going to be about 1 1/4 from the top. I'm going to do 1 1/4. So 1 1/4 from the top, you're going to place this piece of fabric. And then you're going to place the other fabric kind of on top. And it's not going to be all the way to the top. See here, there's probably about, well, like 1/2 inch from the top there. Now, if you don't feel confident, you can grab some wonder clips and you just clip it all in place. And then you are going to serge down each side. That is one section done. I'm just going to turn it around and I'm going to do this second section here. We're just going to do the side sections or the bottom sections. I'm going to just turn the project around and do this. See how it's got a large overhang? Just serge all the way off. Just tidy everybody up. Now we're just going to basically turn our project right sides out. Now I'm just going to take this to the iron and press. Let's just say we're going to a quilting retreat and we want to store our, I don't know, our wonder clips, and we can put them in our little pouch as a storage. This is great for many things. I hope you've enjoyed this super simple project on your serger. And don't forget guys, I upload a video every single Wednesday. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.